Hello everybody, it's Haley again. I am here to do another video for you, but today I'm going to do a video, kind of a tutorial. This is showing you how I do winged liner when I have hooded eyes. You can see my crease goes right there. I have a pretty, not my crease, sorry, my lid. I have a pretty low lid. A lot of people have it stop up a lot higher, but mine's pretty low, so I don't have a ton of room to work with when it comes to eyeliner. So I'm going to do two different eyes if you were to do your eyeliner regular versus my way. Okay, so here is what your eyeliner would look like if you did it normally. Make sure I'm in frame. So if you were to close your eye, bring your line down, and then go over. So you see it doesn't look too bad as a wing, but as soon as you open your eye, look at that. It just cuts it off, right? So finish that so it doesn't look, see, it looks pretty decent shut, but as soon as I open my eye, it looks like that, right? Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I do my hooded eyeliner on this side. Okay, you're going to keep your eye open. You're going to look right directly ahead, like where you would at your mirror here, like I have right here. You're going to look directly ahead, and you're going to draw. A lot of people start from the inner corner, go out. I don't like to. I like to go from down, so that's kind of up to you on which way you prefer to do it that way, but draw my first line. Okay, I did that one a little thick, but now we're going to keep our eyes open, and when we go over, you see the little line there for the lid, we're going to go right over top of that. And fill it in. See how it looks okay? As soon as you close it, there's going to be that little gap, right? But when you open it, it looks okay. So open, it looks good. Close, it's got that little gap. So I like to fill that in a teeny tiny bit. And you want to draw as small of a line as you can because you see you have very limited hood space there. My eyes open, you can see the wing. You closed it, it's got that little bit of a dip down, and it looks kind of weird, but I actually think it looks kind of cool. So open, wing, bad wing, good wing, bad wing. Can we see the difference? Right? Alright, so nothing special about this video. That was a quick little tutorial on how to do a hooded liner. So if you have any more recommendations for a video, you can go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and be prepared for my next video.